So we're CBUS, we're a superannuation fund for the construction, building and allied industries, and I'm an executive responsible for product and business intelligence solutions. We're looking for an entry into collaboration tools. So we weren't prompted by a superannuation board need particularly, and we've been talking about a range of applications that might take us into the collaboration space, and we settled in the end on the board portal as the best way to get engagement at the executive and the board level around collaboration tools. The main reason we went into this process came from two places, apart from the collaboration inquiry that we were making. It was to deliver a director's intranet and to deliver an automated board papers solution, and we saw the iqBoard as being able to do both of those in the one project. Firstly, iQ Business Group itself had developed a range of turnkey applications in SharePoint, and we thought some of those, not just the board portal, might have a future with us. We also were looking for something that was highly reusable in the organisation, and we already have an investment in Microsoft skills. So we know how to use Outlook and Excel and those sorts of technologies. Well, the key benefits for us in using the technology is rapid delivery. We can actually deliver papers very quickly through electronic means we are under less pressure and there is less risk. These things are always pulled together at the last minute, and we're no different. We're waiting for last minute papers. There's risk in assembling papers incorrectly, and then there's risk in not being able to get them out the door in the time frames that the directors expect. Those problems largely went away, so we find we have a little bit more time and be a bit more thoughtful about putting our papers together, and we have much higher consistency. And we know if the delivery happens, there aren't mail delays and those sorts of things. We can also deliver updates to papers very quickly in the time between the main papers being produced and the meetings being held, so we take that opportunity as well. Our secretariat started from a fairly advanced capability already using Adobe PDF to assemble papers. So there was a question mark over whether they'd get a lot of value out of this. They do, and they do because some of the things we're able to do in the portal we were never able to do before. Principle amongst that is not having to print the packs. So producing them in PDF is one skill, but then you still have to print out and assemble them. And the other is that we don't have this need to slice very large PDFs into small pieces and send them by email. Now we have a single delivery, one piece, directors bring an entire pack down in one step. So that's improved the productivity, and it's also released all our photocopiers back into general use. The implementation process was actually very well handled. There were a couple of joint application requirements meetings with the secretariat, people who knew how our manual processes worked. iQ have a very good understanding of the business of the superannuation trustee, so they were able to do a lot of the development work without lots of interactions back with us. So delivery was good. We got a very early solution that was highly functional for us, and I think the tinkering around the edges that we've done since has not been significant. Board adoption, well, the board loved the mobile technology, so a few of them appreciated getting the new technical gadgets, and these technologies do that. They make us more productive, they reduce risk, they increase speed, and I think from a consumption point of view, they improve the experience for directors. It's amazing to sit in a board with 16 directors and see iPads up and down the table and very few loose papers being shuffled around. I think even that experience tells you that it's the right place to be. So our directors are scattered all over the country, and we draw our directors from unions and from employer groups nationally. The ability to get them papers roughly at the same time has been an enormous benefit. Let me summarise iqBoard in 3 words: productive, secure and easily adopted.